So how long has this railway been operational?
Operation zero, but the line, the complete line, it's long 150 kilometers.
150?
150, yes. From Sassari to Palau Marina.
Okay, fantastic.
But now it's all closed.
And when do you think you may be operational again?
We are in Italy, so I think no, open, because at the moment the Italian government just make 30 millions of euro to remake the rail.
Oh, okay.
At the moment the work are not.
It's not happening.
Yeah.
Okay.
We are wait.
You're right. Yeah.
For the future.
But this is your rail car that you are. This one is your rail car.
This is running.
This is running.
Diesel mechanic rail car.
Okay.
And behind there is a diesel electric locomotive.
Okay. Let me show this lovely.
Yeah.
This lovely locomotive. Where is this locomotive built?
In 1930, from Breda, is a loco with Caprotti gears.
Capotti. Okay.
Yeah. So not Valchester.
Yeah.
It's a simplified gear. And
where was it built?
in Milano.
Milan. Okay.
Yeah. In 1930.
Fantastic.
And the coach 1913 in Torino.
Well, that's very much like the Solar coaches, isn't it? Oh, it's fantastic. There's quite a lot of work to do to that locomotive yet, though, isn't there? But oh, what a nice building! What a wonderful building.
Today's manifestation is just for celebrate the start of the work of remake again the station.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So I came on the right day.
Sorry?
I arrived on the right day.
Yeah.
Oh, fantastic! What a setup, though. Do you think you'll get a lot of work from the cruise ships?
In Olbia.
Well, yes.
Here. Yeah, in the past we worked with passengers of the cruise. Yeah.
Yes, and that's your hope again.
For the future,
yes.
we hope too, but I'm not sure that it will happen.
Well, I'll do my best to try and. Now, tell me about this this Bobo here.
It was built in 1958 in Milano from Tecnomasio TIBB.
Okay.
And we still use for the touristic train.
This works okay?
Yeah.
That's
yeah.
grand. And there's a nice shunter. Oh, it's another one, is it? Oh, that's another one. What's this one behind?
Yeah. Here we have two of these locos and two of these rail cars.
Maybe go on the track? Can we maybe cross the track?
Yeah, sure.
Oh, you've got some. My goodness. Look at this.
If you like, you can visit the old worker.
Oh yes, that'd be fantastic.
Because inside there is the old machine from 1888.
Gauge is this? This is what is this? In meters, is it?
950. When we built the first narrow gauge railway in Sardinia, we take the measure.
Okay.
Take the measure. Yeah.
So
In the middle of the rail, instead of create a big mistake. 950 instead 1 meter.
Oh, okay.
For this reason we call it Italian narrow gauge. Inside there are lots of old machine that we took from the original workstation in the last century, 1888.
So this all came from 1888?
This machine, yes.
Okay.
This is the original
Gosh, I got it.
And it's everything working. But obviously now we get an electric engine instead of the steam engine like in the past.
Oh, nice forge.
Yeah, correct.
Yes. Wonderful. What we have here, we got a
I don't know the English name, but
little,
we call it maglia.
hammer. So there's a hammer, and you've got a nice drilling machine there. And you've got a shaper and a bandsaw and a fantastic lathe. Lovely hacksaw, cutting, and a nice little milling machine. That is. Oh, and there's something work in progress. Oh, that's electric driven. Nice big with all the change gears. What a find! I can't believe my luck. I can't believe my luck today.
Yes. Now we switch on the
Oh, okay. Fantastic.
workshop just to show you.
That's all the line gear working. Yeah.
Obviously, now everything is connected except that one. But
The shaper.
if you need, you can connect a single instrument and
So how many people do you have in your society?
in total we are around 2,000 people.
2,000?
Yeah,
Wonderful.
all over in the Sardinia.
Okay.
But in the railway company we are around 200.
Okay.
Yeah, all over in the Halim because we have three different locations. There is Sassari in the north, Lacomera in the middle,
Okay.
and Cagliari in the south of Sardinia.
Right.
Between these three areas, we have around 200 people in the railway company.
Gracious me.
Yeah.
What a setup. Oh yes, must turn on. Yes. This whole building is from 1888.
No, this building was built in 1930.
1930.
This engine, this instrument, are origin from 1888.
Okay.
Because as I told you in the past, the original line arrived over there in the old station. Grazie.
In Britain,
Yeah?
there is so many railway enthusiasts.
Yeah, I know. I
But
work for Hornby. You know
Hornby, yes.
Yeah. I was the Italian salesman for 5 years
Oh, you work for Hornby?
Yeah.
Oh, well done.
until 2018.
Excellent. It's a football. Buongiorno. So how long is your preservation of the station going to take you? Today is your start of the restoration
Yeah,
project.
but just for the main building.
Just for the main building.
Yeah.
How long will it take to repair?
I have no idea. I'm sorry. I have no really idea.
Quite a while.
Also because we are in Italy. So we are very, very nice to make a celebration,
That's
but
it.
not so nice to arrive at the end of the work.
What are you here? Are you a general manager or
Now,
Yeah.
no, I'm a simple driver. I drive the tram here.
you just drive the train?
Yeah.
Okay. There's a lot of people to start this project, isn't there?
Yeah.
Come to
all politician, all general manager,
yes.
lots of people. to celebrate.
That's, oh, it's very nice. Everyone's on. Tell them to smile for the camera.
Vinicio, dice di sorridere alla telecamera.
There we go.
Oh, gentile, beautiful.
Yes, I'm glad I found someone that speaks good English.
Okay.
So, I'll get everybody in.
La sovrintendenza.
So is that
The chief of the station. This is the office of the
oh,
chief.
the office? Oh,
Yeah.
the office of the chief.
Telegraph and exit.
Ma è questo? Facciamo partire anche. Pronti?
Tutti a posto. Aspetta un'altra. L'ultima.
Tutta l'anna!
È arrivato l'assessore. Finalmente fanno nuovi concorsi e stanno assumendo. Attenzione Andrea Valenda!
Grazie. Grazie Andrea.
Così come me, come ha detto
Ho fatto solo la tromba,
e tutte le varie zone di servizio per tenere sempre monitorate ed evitare eventuali atti vandalici che insomma bisogna tutelare il patrimonio, questo cuore pulsante che noi abbiamo qua delle tele. Per passare poi all'involucro edilizio, dove sono previsti una serie di interventi di ripristino degli intonaci, e adesso siamo in fase anche qui stiamo per ricevere il materiale aggiornato da parte dell'opera del restauratore e delle schede tecniche di intervento, perché se è vero che all'interno della stazione c'è questo grande patrimonio artistico, la stessa stazione con il suo involucro ne è una perfetta cornice con tutto il suo comparto decorativo.
Smile. Wonderful. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you very much for this wonderful tour. What is your name, sir?
Fabrizio.
Fabrizio.
Yeah.
Well, thank you very much, Fabrizio,
Thank you
for a
too.
wonderful tour for Woo Woo Mad.
Hope to.
Thank you very much.
Have a nice day.